Ever wondered what kind of businesses rely on Vagaro to thrive? You're not alone. This platform is a powerhouse for a diverse range of industries. And in this video, we'll dive deep into the types of companies that are crushing it with Vagaro. Vagaro is a popular all-in-one business management software designed to streamline operations for service-based businesses. But who exactly is using this powerful tool? From bustling salons and tranquil spas to fitness studios and even pet grooming parlors, Vagaro caters to a wide spectrum of companies. Let's explore some of the key industries that are leveraging Vagaro's unique features to boost their success. 1. Beauty and wellness. This is undoubtedly Vagaro's bread and butter. Salons of all sizes, from solo stylists to large franchises, rely on Vagaro for scheduling and booking. Clients can easily book appointments online, reducing no-shows and freeing up receptionist time. Point of sale, POS, system. Streamline transactions, track inventory, and manage employee commissions effortlessly. Marketing and client communication. Send automated reminders, personalized offers, and build strong client relationships through targeted campaigns. Spa software features. Integrate with spa-specific tools like inventory management for products, treatment protocols, and client intake forms. Examples: hair salons, nail salons, spas, massage therapy clinics, esthetician businesses, makeup artistry studio. 2. Fitness and wellness. Vagaro is a fantastic fit for fitness businesses, offering features that cater to their unique needs. Class scheduling and booking. Easily manage class schedules, track attendance, and allow clients to book classes online. Membership management. Streamline membership sales, track recurring payments, and offer flexible membership options. Gym management tools. Track client progress, manage equipment inventory, and integrate with wearable fitness trackers. Examples: yoga studios, Pilates studios, fitness centers, personal training businesses, dance studios, martial arts school. 3. Healthcare and wellness. Beyond traditional beauty and fitness, Vagaro is also gaining traction in the healthcare and wellness sector. Chiropractic and massage therapy. Manage patient records, track treatment plans, and streamline billing processes. Wellness coaching. Schedule consultations, track client progress, and offer online coaching programs. Mental health professionals. Manage appointments, process payments, and maintain client confidentiality. Examples: chiropractor offices, massage therapy clinics, wellness coaching practices, mental health counseling centers. 4. Pet services. Yes, even our furry friends benefit from Vagaro. Grooming salons. Schedule appointments, manage pet profiles, and track grooming services. Pet boarding and daycare. Streamline bookings, manage pet records, and ensure a safe and comfortable stay for your guests. Pet training. Schedule training sessions, track client progress, and offer online training resources. Examples: dog grooming salons, pet boarding facilities, pet daycare centers, pet training schools. 5. Other industries. Vagaro's versatility extends beyond the typical service industries. Life coaches and consultants. Manage client schedules, process payments, and offer online coaching programs. Photographers and videographers. Schedule photo shoots, manage bookings, and send digital proofs to clients. Event planners. Manage event bookings, track guest lists, and send event reminders. Benefits of using Vagaro. So, why are so many businesses choosing Vagaro? Increased efficiency. Automate tasks, reduce manual work, and free up valuable time for other aspects of your business. Improved client experience. Offer convenient online booking, personalized communication, and a seamless customer journey. Enhanced revenue. Boost sales with online booking, targeted marketing campaigns, and membership programs. Data-driven insights. Gain valuable insights into your business performance with detailed reports and analytics. Finding the right Vagaro plan. Vagaro offers a variety of subscription plans to suit different business needs and budgets. Start with a free trial. Explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business. Compare pricing options. Choose the plan that best aligns with your specific requirements and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.